Bad nigga, man.
How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art. Today I'm going to be redrawing one of my subscribers' drawings. So I told you guys to submit all of your drawings in, your original characters, and I got so many good entries. I'm so sad. I wish I could pick all of them, but I could only pick one, and I decided to go with someone by the name of Katie Manders. So we're going to take a look at her drawing, see what her original character looks like, and see what she has to say about it.
Hey, I'm Katie. I love all types of art, whether it be playing my saxophone or just sitting around in my room doodling. And
damn, that looks pretty cool.
Actually is
like
mosaics and
skeleton
clay
superhero
work, because I just
like the
love
swords,
working
you know,
with
the swords
with my hands, because I feel I can express
like the pose.
my feelings or
cool.
ideas better that way. I just want to thank all of you for allowing me to have this opportunity. Thank you, Zach. You're wonderful, and I love all your art.
I think I have a pretty good idea
fun watching. Thank you so much.
on what to do.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
there it is, you guys. That is the redrawing. A few things I did change. As you can see, I added a lot of rim light to the drawing. Her drawing was actually super cool. It was a really cool design. I liked how all the bones were on top, you know, the bones right here, here, and on the legs. Yeah, I thought that was such a cool touch, and I decided I would kind of keep that. But since hers was like kind of part of the costume, I wanted to really make it pop up look like it was bone on top of the costume instead of just like part of the costume. You know what I mean? Also, I like the red and black elements. It looks really nice. The rim light I just made yellow, and for the bones, I decided to make it the actual color of bones. It's like tannish. Honestly, I think the face turned out pretty nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I quite like the face. I made the eyes blue. I didn't exactly follow hers for the eyes at least, but I thought the eyes made it look more fierce. The eyes looked a little friendly in the other one, and maybe it is supposed to be a friendly superhero. I don't know. But honestly, I thought it was so fun. There were a few challenges along the way because I was kind of rushing with the inks and I just went really quickly. And honestly, the white pen was such a pain in the ass. Literally, every time I use it, I was kind of drawing with it and then the white paint started to spill everywhere. I think you can still see a little bit on my pinky finger. But yeah, the paint was going everywhere and it was just such a mess and such a pain to deal with. But overall, it was fun. I really enjoyed redrawing one of my subscribers' drawings, especially you guys. You guys have been supporting me for so long. I really do appreciate it. I think you guys do really like it when I redraw your drawings. You guys can also submit your drawings to zhcreview@gmail.com if you want me to redraw your thing. Again, I got so many great entries, but I did not get a chance to draw all of them. Hopefully I get to draw more in the future, and I do take a look at all of them. I really appreciate you guys sending them in. This video shout out goes to Aryash Banerjee. If you want to win a shout out too, join the notification squad. Let me know down in the comments below. I will see you guys next time. Keep your pencils moving, keep submitting your work, and stay on the daily grind. I will see you guys next time. Bye.